Hello, Gems. My name is T. Welcome back to Gem City Budgets. And today's video is my financial abundance binder day, where I have 12 saving challenges, or 7 challenges that I'm saving for my sinking funds. There you go. It's been a while since I recorded. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm gonna roll a die this time. Is this the D? No, this is a D20, girl. You need a D12. Look, rusty. Here I go. Here goes the D12. So roll a D12, and we just gonna go ahead and see how far we can get with this $80. So we at 6. Let's go to 6. We got Reynolds budget. Perfect. And let me see, this just got, let's go ahead and roll a D4. And what do we have? A 2. We can do a little bit better than that. So we got 2. Let's do that again. Ooh. We got a 4. So let's go ahead and do the 4. Just put $1 back and grab a 5. So we got $6 is going into Reynolds budget. We got a 3. 3 is stuff in budget. And I'm staying home. I'm mood poisoning. I have mood poisoning. So this says $50. Let's go here. We got a 6. So 5 and 6. Let's roll again. 2. We got Bookish Mama budgets. And this is a mystery save, amounts 3 through 12. Let's go here in the middle. And we got a 4. I'm kind of scared to scratch again, but that's a 4. 5 and under, I like to scratch 12. Lord, see, I said 12, I'm gonna have a 12. I like to scratch 2 of them. So let's go to this one. 10. All right, $14. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. All right. Let's see where we're going next. 5. 5 is the thriftist sew. Oh, we finished the thriftist sewers, didn't we? And I didn't put nothing new in here. So let's keep going. Oh, I didn't put nothing new. 3 again. We finished that one before vacation. Back to stuff and budget. We got a 4. Let's put $1 back and grab a 5. All right, let's go again. 7. We going to 7. 7 is the humble budgeter. Oh, that's our friends. That's our friends right here. And let's roll. Which card are we gonna go to? We got 9. Okay, she living her best life. Let's go here. Ooh, baby. That is a 17. She definitely living her best life. So 5, 10, 15, 16, 17. All right. And I think this whole stack says $500. So we just chipping away at it. Let's put those back in here. Let's go again. We got 11. 11 is Mystic Budgets. Miss Mail. Oh, I'm looking for, I forgot I put it back together. So this is Carded and Dice. Book here, we finished this first page. Let's do the dice up one. So we're gonna roll 2 dice here. And we got 4. So let's go ahead and color 4 in. 6 and 4 is 10. Ooh, let me see. Oh, what should I do? Was I supposed to just roll 1 die? I don't remember. Let's roll 1 die, because I think I messed up the first one. Oh well, let's do 1. So we got 3. The last 2 dice left, you save that amount. So yeah, I think I messed up the first one, but that's okay. So the last 2, ooh, $11. 10 and 11. All right, so that's carded and diced. And let's see where we're going to next. 3. 3 is just getting all the money. Who is 3? Stuffing budget. Let's see. Let's go up here. Ooh, and that is a 9. What category is this? The husband, of course. So 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. All right, come on, die. Let's get something different. 5. 5 is, oh, the third. Okay, we don't have nothing there. So let's go to, oh, I want to go to 4. I'm kind of scared. I don't know the amounts on that one. Let's do, any of these are we almost finished with? Not really. Let's go to Beautiful Budgets Co. Oops, let's go here. Can we do something with this? Let me see what we got. 10, 11, 12. We got $13. Oh, I don't know. Let's see. We got 5 and 4. No, we already did that one, so we have to do one of these on this side. And what I say I had, I don't mix it together. So let's roll the D12. And we're doing $10 today. So $10. All right, $10 is going to Beautiful Budgets Co. And we got $3 left. I should just put the whole 13 in there. So $3. Who can we go to for $3? I don't know. $3. Oh, let's go back to Reynolds budget for, we got $3. And let's go ahead and do this 3 here. Perfect. That's just how we will do it. All right, that $80 went fast. Let's see. 1 didn't get anything. 2 got 10, 11, 12, 13, $14 today. And that's Bookage Mama Budgets. We got Stuffing Budget, got 5, 10, 15, 16, 17, 18, $19. Took all the money today. Miss Chief Managed Budgets didn't get anything. I need to switch this one out. Let's see. Reynolds Budget today got $5, 6, 7, 8, $9. We got the Humble Budgeter at 5, 10, 15, 16, $17. Champagne's Corner didn't get anything. Oh, I gotta put a new one in here too because there's nothing there. I did not do my job. Beautiful Budgets Co. got $10 today. Dreamy Budgets didn't get anything today. Mystic Budgets got $10, $11. Okay, I had to make sure that I had to put a new one in that one either. Lemon Ivy didn't get anything today. So that is my financial abundance binder. Saving for my sinking funds, which has been so perfect to save for. So yeah, thank you everyone for your love and support. If you want to continue to follow me on this financial journey, please subscribe to the channel or share with a friend. And remember to stay magical. Bye, gems.